Hello, here I am in an undisclosed location, and I want to show you the power of how the earth moves and how mountains crumble. There have been recorded history of moving mountains, one of them being on Highway 40 north in the Kananaskis Valley, and that is not where this is, of course, but it has a mountain which is moving all the time like a glacier. Now, I just want to show you this quickly. A telephone pole line. So that's modern society. Now, alright, I'm in a mining community in an undisclosed location, and I want to show you the power of erosion. Okay. If you look down, a set of old tracks. If you look very closely, you can see they're airborne. Okay. It's so bad up here I can't even walk by the tracks. I have to go up here. So I'm going to do the best I can to walk this line and give you pictures. Try to have some quality. Anyway, I'm coming around these tracks. There they are. Just hanging in midair. All the slumping that's been going on. There's part of your culprit right there. It's nothing but shale. Very dangerous. The winters and the springs, everything slumps every year, and away she goes. Now, this line was probably built with local material, which is a lot of shale and gravel. There's tons and tons and earthholes of it. So they take what they got, they make a crude rail line for the mine. It doesn't have any other infrastructure like cement or anything, and it's kind of freestanding against where they may have cleared it out. I don't know for sure if this was cleared out or if this is natural, but I think it was probably cleared out. Maybe it was blasted and then they put the road in, but as you can see, the typical erosion has covered over pretty much most of where the tracks would be. And there they are there. They look like they've moved about 20 feet. 20 feet in what? Maybe 100 years. It's pretty wicked. I'm going to have another look at this. Yeah, so this is what you call moving. Someday it's going to be more level than this. I also have a theory that mountains are being formed as we speak, but maybe the process takes millions and millions of years over time, not all in one rush. So I'm up by the tracks, and you can see where the trees and shrub has grown. It's really quite pretty. I want to show you this geological rivers down there. That helps the erosion process because everything goes to the river. Tracks are suspended in midair. Can you imagine building a rail if you can follow that and go for a ride? That'd be cool. If you come out the other side, it'd be alright. So now I'm hopping on the tracks. Yeah, more earth moving, and by the looks of it, it was a small landslide. Could kill a person if he was down here, possibly with nowhere to run. Imagine if a bigger one came. I don't know if it'd be a tremor or just ice, but when it decides to let go, it pulls other ones with it. So, tracks are where the trees are. It's where they're supposed to be. This tree line. Oh no, here, I'm wrong. There's a track right there. That was on my right hand side. So it goes up to this mountain, completely covers it. And we should go. Just going to stand up here for a minute, show you the river, little tiny falls. A nice rock formation. But as you can see, it's layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of shale over the years it formed, and then the glacier cut through the valley, made all of this stuff nothing but silt. All of it probably. It's probably in all the rivers, all over the place. while. Here we go again. Track suspended in midair. Trees growing below, shrubs and stuff growing below it. Anyway, it's so cool. The wood's still mostly intact. You can actually stand on it at one point, which I tried earlier, but for safety's reason I won't now. There's the tracks. All the wood's gone, except for one. More rocks. More rocks. More rocks. More rocks. Ooh, where's the track go? Yeah, it's gone again. This time it's buried under, it's like 5 feet, 7 feet, down to maybe 2 feet, 3 feet. Very, very picturesque. Another rock sticking out of the ground. And I don't understand, but there's some wood up here, even though, well, see, the wood comes to the surface apparently. The wood comes up. Try to stay down. Check it out. Little old miner's pot-belly stove, looks like. Pot-belly stove! Oh, yeah, it's pretty scenery. This portion here, the shale, so thin. Mud cakes. I'm only 5-6 inches from the surface, and that's how thin it is. Wow. When I say 5 inches, I meant, what is that, 150 millimeters, 11.5 centimeters. Okay. Oh yeah. Can't go. Oh no. I wonder how they powered them. They must have been, I wonder if they were coal fired. Had a boiler. Could have been a steam train. More likely. Back then they still didn't use, I don't think they still didn't use a whole lot of gasoline. They might have used diesel in the farming, I'm not sure. I need facts. So this is a bridge they put in. The bridge is collapsed, half collapsed. See right there, the trellis is coming apart, hanging there. When that decides to go, it might rip some earth with it. So up we go. Can't see it with the sun, but up there is the road. If you can call it a road, it's more like a gravel pit. If I can handle it, nice. Whoa. This is pretty. These pine trees, someday they're going to be 50 feet tall, sticking out of this. It'll end up holding the whole thing in place for another 100 years or more. Unless the whole tree slumps, that can happen. Big rain one year and washes away everything trees go to. I'll go for a hike. That appears to be an old mining tractor wheel, and it's really not that big. It only looks like it's about 4.5, 5 feet across. Now they're so friggin' tall. I'm sure they're 8, 9 feet, some of them. I would love to see one of these mining trucks. Maybe tomorrow I'll come back and we'll film some of that. Here are the mine people. here the tracks deteriorate, and you can see them up over the ridge, but I gotta go this way. This is unusual because here the tracks went in, and you can see remnants of the line. That would meet that, but it doesn't. See, the tracks are over here. I wonder if the whole thing maybe it might have moved. Like everything might have moved. Because that looks like the rail line, but it doesn't match up with that side. I'm pretty sure it's straight as an arrow. See, from there back. I've been coming up this community now for about 4 years, and I've never been down here before, but I've seen them from the road, and I must say I thought it was pretty cool. First time I saw it. I'm not going to disclose the location, because when I post this, I might award a prize of a shirt from either Nordig or Hinton. It could be your choice. No guarantees, but I will personally drive up to Hinton, buy the shirt, and send it to your house. And I will go up on that trunk road with my bike, and I will go get you that shirt. If you bid. This contest is only available to people that are South Calgary. Everybody to the north are discouraged from entering. Thank you. It's because you all probably know where this is, you know what I mean? This is for the southern Alberta residents. They're going to go, oh, we got to go spend some money in Hinton. So, now you get to pay me. Okay, got to climb this nasty hill. That's it. Where I got in. Signing off.